baker has some packets of sugar and some packets of flour. He has 22 more packets of sugar than packets of flour, which means if you were to draw a model for sugar and flour, okay, sugar will be more by 22. Okay, now each packet of sugar is 1.5 kilograms. Each packet of flour is 1.7 kilograms more than each packet of sugar. So sugar 1.5 kg each. Flour, take note, is not 1.7, okay, it's 1.7 more than the sugar. So 1.5 plus 1.7, which is 3.2 kg for the flour, for each packet of the flour. Okay, now the total mass of all the packets of sugar and packets of flour is 225.7 kilograms. This is the total of everything here. 225.7 kg. Okay, now how many such packets of sugar does he have? This is our question mark. Now what we can do for this question, right, is to form another 22 packets of flour. Why do we do that? So that we get the same number of flour packets and sugar packets. Of course, it's not true, right? It's not true because we don't have that much of flour packets. But why we do that? Because we want to find how many sugar packets are there in this section. So we try and make them both equal. So meaning we add another 22 flour packets. Of course, when we add another 22 flour packets, right, the total mass must increase. Okay, so 22 multiplied by 3.2. What is the increase in the total mass? 70.4 kg. Alright, so what we do is we'll take this plus 70.4. Which will give us 296. Oops, daisy. 296.1 kg. Okay, now that 296.1 kg, right, now represents an equal number of flour packets and its original sugar packets as well. Okay, so we have two parts. Okay, we have two parts. And these two parts actually represents a total mass of 296.1 kg. But the thing is, we cannot just take this and divide by 2. Cannot do that because they don't have an equal mass. Yes, they are equal in number, but they are not equal in mass. So what we have to do next is to employ a grouping technique. So in one group, we will have exactly 1 times of sugar packet and 1 times of flour packet. Okay, so in just one group alone, the mass of 1 sugar and 1 flour, what would that be? If they are equal in number, what would that be? It will be 1.5 plus 3.2 4.7 kg. That is just one group. So of course we have more than one group because the total mass right now is 296.1. So 296.1 divide by 4.7, we'll get the number of groups. 63 groups. And remember, in each group there is 1 of each. So we want to find how many sugar packets are there. So 1 times 63 to give us an answer of 63 packets of sugar. Alright, now if you want to check, let's do a quick check. Okay, for sugar, 63 times the mass of each sugar packet, 1.5. 94.5. And for flour, right, it's 22 lesser, so 63 minus 22. 41 packets of flour. 41 times the mass of each packet of flour is 3.2 kg. $131.2. And when we add them up together, we'll get 225.7 kg, which is our original mass of the packets of sugar and flour. Final answer for this question: how many packets of sugar does he have? He has 63 packets.